Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name's Reagan if you don't know me, and if you do know me, thank you for coming back and supporting me. As you probably know by the title of this video, I am going to be unboxing the October BoxyCharm box. So I've never subscribed to BoxyCharm before, so this is the first box I have ever received from them. And also, I've never subscribed to a makeup subscription box ever before, so this is my first experience getting one ever. I'm really excited. I signed up on October 1st so I could get the October box, and it just barely came in the mail this week, and so I am doing it today. I know that it's a little later in the month, but I was just so excited to get this, and I wanted to film my first unboxing. So here we are. I have not opened it at all. It's still sealed. I have no idea what's in here. We are just gonna open it and see. I am so excited. Before we get started, please make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my Friday videos. I really enjoy spending time with you guys, and I would love if you joined my small family here. Other than that, let's just get started. I'm gonna be opening this box now. So if you don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a $25 subscription box. It comes monthly, and you receive 5 full-sized items. So I'm gonna open it up. So this is what it looks like on the inside. It's really cute, pink. And then you open it, and then I have this little BoxyCharm candy shop paper. And then on the back, it looks like it has the products that are in there. So I will be referring back to this as I go through the box. There is some little like paper stuff in there. And then I do see that there is a palette very first, and that makes me really excited because I really didn't know what to expect, like getting this box, like full-sized items. I don't know. I was just kind of skeptical. I didn't know what I was gonna get, but seeing that there's a palette in here, I'm excited. So this is the Editor palette by Ciate London. I've never used this brand before. I am excited about this. I think it's an eyeshadow palette. Let's see. It says on my little paper here, it says Ciate London New England Editor Palette. Inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortless eye looks. And it retails for $32. So I'm going to open this up. First, looking at it, it's not what I expected, especially reading the description on the paper, but this is what it looks like. So it has 18 pans in here. The color that stands out the most to me is this green here. If you watched my last video, 3 looks 1 palette, I was really hoping for a green in that palette, and it didn't turn out the way I wanted it, but this one looks gorgeous. These are colors that I really don't have in my collection, so I'm super excited to add this, and I'm also excited to play with their formula and see how they work. There are glitters, shimmers, it said glitters, metallics, and mattes. So there's 3 different formulas in here, and I'm super excited to play around with that. So I am really happy with this. This is something that I wouldn't typically buy, and so I'm glad that I got it in this box. I think that's something nice about boxes like this, is that they push you to kind of get out of your comfort zone, try things that you wouldn't normally like pick up at the store all the time. So that's a win for me. Next, I'm going to reach for this palette here. So at the bottom of the box, it just has the rest of the products placed in there. Next, I have Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio by Real Her. I've never heard of this brand. So let's see what the paper says. The card says Real Her Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio. This cheek trio has all of your angles covered. This high quality silky formulation ensures the high points of your cheeks are evenly highlighted, the hollows perfectly chiseled, and the apples of your cheeks subtly flushed with a universal peach. And this retails for $28. So the eyeshadow palette, 18 pan eyeshadow palette, was only $32. And this cheek trio is $28. So that's only $4 more for the eyeshadow. And I'm only getting 3 shades with this. And so I'm assuming just by looking at the price that this might be a little better quality, but I can't say that for sure. It's just a guess. So the packaging is super cute. It is like a marbled look. And so I really enjoy that. This is what the inside looks like. It's not as bold as I expected it to be, but I honestly am really, really loving right now the muted blushes, muted bronzers, things like that, just for kind of a subtle glow this fall. I've been really going for those like muddy, muted looks. And so I'm excited to give this a try and see if it becomes one of my new favorites. It's definitely not something that I would purchase in store if I were shopping on my own as well. Okay, next up we have these Soft Focus Glow Drops, and they are Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer by the brand Rodial, I am guessing. I'm not sure, I've never heard of this brand as well. So we're gonna open this up here. Ooh, so the packaging is like a matte packaging, very pretty. And these kind of remind me of like the Cover FX. This is the vibe I'm getting, is kind of like the Cover FX drops. But when I open it here, it is very pink, like a translucent pink. I'm very interested to see how these really work. Let's read the card. The card says Rodial Soft Focus Glow Drops. It does say soft focus, so I guess that would make more sense looking at the pink translucent shade that this was. It says illuminate the complexion and achieve a lit from within glow with new soft focus glow drops. This skincare makeup hybrid is a next generation wonder serum formulated with active ingredients to brighten the complexion and a gentle shimmer to instantly boost luminosity and glow. These retail for $60. So I have really, really high expectations for these. I've never used glow drops or highlighting drops or any kind of serums with this type of dropper before. I know that a lot of different companies have done them and a lot of different brands have released products like that, but I never have tried them. So I have high hopes for this. I'm guessing that this is like the biggest, most expensive item in the box this month. And looking at the card, it is. So I guess this is like the main focus, but that's super awesome. So I'm excited to try those too. You know, I've wanted the Cover FX drops for a long time. They've been around forever. They were like super, super popular and then they kind of went away, but I've still wanted to try them. So that's a nice way to be able to try something very similar and not have to spend as much money on them. Okay, next I have the Sol Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capucho Lip Butter. So I've heard of Sol Janeiro. I don't remember what I've heard about them or what product, but it sounds very familiar. I know that I've heard it before. So on the card it says Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss Tinted Capucho Lip Butter. A soft tinted lip treatment that pampers lips with a delicious blend of capucho butter acai and coconut oils, cushiony, soft, and super conditioning for lip-loving benefits that transform dry, rough lips into your most kissable and the most scrumptious aroma of dulce de leche. This retails for $20. That's pretty expensive for a lip product, in my opinion. So I'm gonna take it out of the packaging here. The packaging is pretty unique. I wonder if it's gonna be like a lip crayon. I know that Tarte has some lip crayons in this same packaging, and it's actually not. Once you take the lid off, it is a normal lipstick. So I am going to swatch this just on the back of my hand to see. I've been swatching for a while, and it's right here. You can barely even see the swatch. And so I'm guessing this is just a very tinted lip balm is what I'm assuming from the swatch, because there's like almost zero pigment. So it smells so good though. Kind of like some kind of baked goods. Maybe churros. I don't know. This smells really good. I wonder how it will apply on the lips, if it will be that sheer or if it will be more pigmented once applied on the lips. We will see. The last thing that I received in this box are these lashes, and they are called lava lashes. And on the card it says, Lava Lashes Charm Faux Mink. Lightweight and fluffy handcrafted luxury lashes, our charm style blends seamlessly with your natural lashes and adds the perfect amount of glam to any look. And they retail for $20. So I would never spend $20 on fake lashes. Honestly, I very, very rarely wear fake lashes. I have them on today, but I am going somewhere today. It's like a special occasion and I'm going out. And so I applied them today, but I do not apply them on a daily basis. And it has to be a very, very special event, special case for me to apply lashes. My boyfriend also really isn't a fan of them, and so that plays into it too. So this is what the lashes look like. So it does come with lash glue as well, which it didn't say on the packaging, so that is a plus. It's kind of like hidden right down here. When you open it up, there is lash glue. I really like that. These lashes look very pretty. I actually have a set of Ardell Wispies right next to me. And so I am just gonna show you guys so we can compare what they look like. These ones are a little messy because I've used them before, but here are the Ardell Wispies. Here they are compared to the Lava Lashes. I would definitely say that they are similar. They both have like that wispy vibe. I think that the Ardell Wispies look a little cheaper, which is not surprising. You get what you pay for, and these ones are $20, so I would expect them to look nicer, more natural. The band on the Lava Lashes looks thicker, which would be easier to apply. I don't know if it will show up on the lash line more though, and they just look a little fuller. I know that the Ardell Wispies are a very popular lash, and so that's why I wanted to pull them out and compare them in case you use those and you wanted to know how similar the two were. That is what they look like. So that is the end of my box. I do have to say I am very excited and pleased that this is what I got for my first box. The fact that there was an eyeshadow palette in there really, really makes me excited. I am super excited to try all of these new products. They're things I wouldn't normally pick up, but now that I have them in my collection, I am more than excited to start using them and incorporating them into my day-to-day routines. Maybe some of them will become some of my new staple products. You just never know when you get new products. I am somebody that just really enjoys getting new makeup, and so this is an exciting process for me. I have been going back and forth trying to decide if I'm going to keep this box every month or if I should cancel it. I kind of wanted to see how the first box went to decide, and I still am unsure. So I might keep my subscription going for a little while and see if I get sick of it. Also, for $25 to get all of these products is not a bad deal at all. Most of these products were more than $25 on their own, so to get all 5 of them for $25 is seriously a steal. I am more than excited about that, and my boyfriend should be too, because if I were to buy any of these products, we would be spending way more. This is an awesome opportunity for me, and $25 really isn't that bad every month to be getting new makeup. Anyways, guys, I am gonna get going. I really hope you enjoyed this. I really just wanted to open my first box with you guys, share with you my initial thoughts. This is a completely new experience to me, and I have loved sharing it with you guys. Please make sure to like this video if you did like it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And other than that, I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.